Welcome to week 3. Welcome, Nikki.
Hi, Prisha.
This week, we're going to talk about named ranges. So, Nikki, can you let our learners know what a named range actually is?
Good starting point. So a named range it's quite a simple idea, really. It's where you take a cell or a range of cells and give it a name of your choosing. So rather than calling it B3, you could call it commission rate.
Wow.
Yeah, really simple, but actually really important. And as our calculations get more complex, we're going to come to rely on name ranges more and more. And there are actually even some problems, they're quite complex problems, but that you can only solve with named ranges. So this is not one of those nice to haves. This is a very important skill that every Excel user needs to add to their toolbox.
Even though it's an important skill, how come most learners don't know about this then?
Yeah, it's an interesting thing. It's a bit of a hidden feature. There are some tools tucked away on the Formulas tab, but how often do we go there? There's just nothing in Excel that screams out about named ranges. So you're right, a lot of people don't know about it.
Can you let our learners know the benefits of using named ranges then?
There are quite a few. To begin with, it actually makes your formulas much easier to understand. It also makes them much quicker to calculate, so it is an efficiency tool. And then probably most subtle, it is one of the key components in automating a lot of processes in Excel.
Great. And how can our learners go about creating these named ranges?
There are a few ways they can do it. So first of all, they can use the name box. Now the name box we've probably been staring at for ages without knowing it's there. It's the little box just to the left of your formula bar. So that's one way. Otherwise, you can go onto the Formulas tab, and there's an option to find name or create from selection. And we're going to walk our learners through each of these processes in the practice videos.
And what about learners who already have existing formulas in their spreadsheets that don't have named ranges in them?
Yeah, they wouldn't want to go about going and changing them manually. I totally agree. There's a great little feature called Apply Names, and this allows you to take a new named range and automatically apply it to existing calculations. So that'll be the last little tool we'll be looking at.
Sounds great, Nikki. So now we have some practice videos for you to go through to master named ranges. Make sure you download the Excel workbooks and work alongside the practice videos step by step. Then take a break and come back and re-practice these again, because practice makes permanent. Make sure you check out the practice challenge for this week as well as the toolbox and this week's ninja tip. And now it's over to you.